This video is sponsored by ExpressVPN.
How to Basic uses ExpressVPN.
The problem with big tech is that every time you visit YouTube or any large website, these companies track what you do online. They learn everything about you, and they use this data to serve you ads and can match your activity to your true identity using your device's unique IP address. When How to Basic uses ExpressVPN, these websites can't see his IP address at all. His identity is anonymized by a secure VPN server. ExpressVPN software takes just a minute to set up on your computer or phone. You tap one button and you're protected. It's time to take back your privacy at expressvpn.com/HTB. By visiting How to Basic's special link, you not only help support his channel, but you also get an extra 3 months of ExpressVPN service for free. Again, that's expressvpn.com/HTB.
To protect your data today.